Hello, I'm Tars, and today I'm going to show you how to add container in WordPress. So let's get into the video. So here I have added a page that is ready for editing, meaning when it comes to editing, you should be able to add container. And because adding a container will help you add a lot of more elements, um, so you'll be able to place a lot of things that people would be able to see in your website. So normally, if the page is new, you'll be able to see edit with Elementor here, or you can just click it here. So what you're going to click is the edit with Elementor. So here it is. You'll be able to see this after you click the edit with Elementor, and you just have to click this cross button that says add new container and choose flexbox. I always choose this only one column, okay, because it's always customizable if you're going to start with one column. Okay, so there you go. You'll be able to see the column here, and it says it's a container, edit container. And after placing this container, you can add more container. So it's container within container. And if you're going to press this one again, you'll be able to add a lot of things: grid, container, text heading, images, or you can put container again. So you have container within container within container. Okay, so that is how you can add container in WordPress. See you in the next video.